Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2010 Honda Fury Custom Cruiser. This is 1300cc big bore V-twin, liquid cooled, fuel injected, custom cruiser styling with Honda reliability. This gorgeous bike comes to us with only 12,000 miles on the odometer. Beautiful metallic blue finish. Passenger backrest, nice big fat rear tire, skinny front, shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Make your custom cruiser dreams come true for only $69.90. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.